Okay, I'm back with my Cub Cadet again. If you guys been a while of that, it has been like 2 years, maybe 3 years or so. If you were never in the video as it was smoking, it doesn't smoke no more because I replaced the head gasket. So that was like a good hard labor work on it. Though I'm missing little bolts for the exhaust manifold underneath there, but that's going to be fixed later, but still runs. Today we're focusing on the motor deck, 42-inch. By the way, this is an LT Cub Cadet 1018 18.5 Briggs and Stratton engine from 2000. I believe this is like a 2001, so it's very good. So all right, so I got the reason I'm replacing this is the the V-belt cable from the clutch PTO drive to the top idler of the mower deck, which turns the lower cable on the lower pulley, hold by a tensioner here with two deck belts blades. And I already pre-greased them already, so I haven't greased them in oil, so I got it ready. And here's the other few of the blades. I think I do need to do for something on them, and if the softening place does not allow that, I'll just buy new belts. I mean, not a big deal. So okay, so looks like I'm gonna get this time fixed as long as this door doesn't slam on me. So all right, so yeah, so I'll be back in a minute. Now on this owner's manual that I got, it says that the belt, the tensioner pulley here holds here, and then that's the idler pulley in the back right here for the pulley. So I gotta time this that way to get the mower deck. I mean, as I took it off, you know, care about the bucket now. This crap actually didn't break, but it's starting getting ready to fade out or something. If I can just do this. Yeah, there's about a little wear crack on there, but it's still alright. I'm gonna replace this, just like, you know, preventive maintenance on it. So yeah, you want to do that at the same time. I mean, the drive belt towards the crankshaft towards the rear ends are still good, but yeah, that's gonna be crazy. As I got neighbors trying to bang the windows or something. Oh, I don't know. You know, all they are. But okay, so I'm gonna get this going. And if you have a 42-inch mower deck, the V-belt part number will be of a through the Cub Cadet, but compatible. I double check. It's actually this part here I got for the mower deck. So yeah, so that's going to be put on there. So I'm going to do that now after I clean this. So you always want to double check first before you do it. Now I'm going to be attempting to put the belt on, so it won't fall back. So normally I will have to take this off here with 3 bolts, but because I'm lazy and stupid, it's just plastic cover. So basically I'm just slipping the belt through here, trying not to drop the deck. So go here, go here. You know what you do, just play with the pulley a little, and there you go. You got one on. Now you want to fit this under the groove. So now I'm going to do the other pulley here. Under another pulley. I'm going to try to, yep, there we go. We got 2. Let's move that a little. Now we're going to do number 3. So I'm going to fit that right there. Of course, a little grease does not help, even though sometimes it does a little, but when you're talking with belts, You don't want, you'll try not to get a lot of grease on it. So, okay, so looks like I gotta stretch this. No, that didn't work. So, okay. That belt's on, so same thing. We're gonna wiggle this in. And go that way. Now, last thing we're gonna do is the tension right here. So we're gonna make sure we look. So, and what you do on the final tension, well, as long as you get all the belts on first. That's the very important part. You want to get at least all the belts on, so you hear the tension spring. Actually, what I should do is I'm going to take the tension spring off, reconnect it, then pull this all the way, and we're done. So there we go. We got this all on. She's a nasty cold start today. Been out since like October, the late ends of it. Woo! Nasty. Alright, gotta get this hinge off. This. Let me take this off. Alright, so we got that off. Lights still work. Can't do the PTO clutch until more deck's on, so, and just stalls out, so that's okay. It's just got a little fuel in it, and so we're good to go. So all right, so very simple. If you have to move it, you pull this pin, and the leveling rod will come out, and then you will repeat on the other side as well. So it's pretty simple as that. So give me a minute. So basically what you gotta do is you gotta lift the deck, pull the pin, line up the leveling shaft on this side. Then you have to repeat on this side. You do it here, leveling up, that's it. Now let's just do a quick level test. Just make sure the level works. And we're good to go. So that's why I gotta stop that and try to do it myself. So it's getting a little dark quickly. It's about no more daylight saving times here. I mean, crazy second half on them. So yeah, so trying to get the more. So we're gonna get the what's it called, the PTO belt on. So that's not like page here. So basically, looking on this figure here. That goes to the pulley, the two pulleys in the back, goes all the way in front to the crank, holds by two eyelets. So that's all we got to do. Stand by. Good. So I'm gonna try to do it with one hand into the other. So it's a little stupid, that bolt right there. Let's see, you see the camera on that. That bolt here holds the spring, so can't believe I was blindsided. Okay, now the belt's on. This is a good thing. Now the last thing you got to do, make sure you put this on.
on. Looks like we did. We got the belt on. Nice. Just gonna hold it. Now we're gonna make sure that it stays on there. So, gonna start it up. This is always a good idea. You check the belt before you put it on. So it's on, but I think we timed it wrong. So, whoops. So it's supposed to go I believe this has to go the other way. No, I don't think so. And that's how you do a belt. I know it took long, but I got it. So yeah. Alrighty, Cub Cadet, it's good to go. She's all bunted up. And good day's work on that. So hit the subscribe, comment, and likes. I'll be back seeing trains soon. But now I just want to give you an update of the Cub Cadet. As I know it's been like 2 years or so I didn't update it, so that's all on that. Thanks for watching.